I'd like to illustrate to you how to drain or empty a water heater up a flight of stairs with nothing but air pressure. I've created a demonstration that replicates an installed water heater. The tank is full of water and the pressure gauge reads 55 psi, which is the average water pressure for most homes. Notice the cold water intake is turned on and the hot side is capped. First, I turned off the cold water intake. In a home, depressurize the tank. You can open up hot water valves, and then you can disconnect the hot water line to the plumbing. After cutting the hot line, cap it with a reusable shark bite fitting, or shut off a valve if you have one on the hot side. Your tank is now depressurized. Now attach a full port hose to the Sediment Buster, and then attach the Sediment Buster to the drain valve. For this demonstration, I am disconnecting the water hose just to reaffirm I am not using any water pressure. Now close the Sediment Buster's valve and just give it 1 or 2 little bursts of air. Then open the Sediment Buster valve and begin draining. You'll see the pressure is very minimal, 5 to 10 psi. You are creating a siphoning effect. But essentially you're putting more air pressure above in the tank that is causing the water to push out. As needed, close the Sediment Buster's valve and reapply some air pressure. Open it back up, and then you'll be able to continue to drain the tank. Adding repeated bursts of air at the drain valve, you are not only adding the necessary pressure to drain, you are also continually agitating at the point of the drain enough to keep clogs from forming. It is also helpful to see what you are doing through the clear window. No more guessing whether you are draining or not, especially if your hose is leading upstairs and outside. So if you're wanting to remove an old water heater or you're just needing to drain the tank, Sediment Buster really is a great tool. Check out our other videos on how Sediment Buster can also help you clean and remove sediment from the tank. Thanks for watching.